Hi people, how we doing? Welcome to another vlog. My name is Damie, in case you are just seeing this face for the first time. Today we are going to Ishiun Market. Ishiun Market is a market in Ogun State. It's like a farmer's market. And if you don't know, Ogun State is still on lockdown. We're doing like alternate days now. So go out today, don't go out tomorrow, go out today, don't go out tomorrow. And then it has been working really, although the numbers in Ogun State have been increasing. Like yesterday was, I think, 11 coronavirus cases, new coronavirus cases. And yeah, anyway, today's vlog, I won't take you guys to the market with me. I relaxed my hair yesterday. You guys would have seen the vlog already. I don't want to talk too much. We bless the name of the Lord that the screen did not break. Let's hit the road. I need to even go and fix my face so I'm looking white like a white walker. Mommy, say hello. Yes.
For Missy.
Okay. Mommy, I say hello. I need for Missy.
Because I can't see myself. Hello.
Hello. So let me know, guys, when you are going to the market, how do you dress? So let me show you guys what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this very comfortable t-shirt. It was given to me during my master's program, report shirt, and leggings, because we have to be comfortable. Comfort is key. Whenever you're going to the market, comfort is key. I really like black on black, or like looking like a snack. Looking like a snack. See my sister, she's throwing ewedu this much. Let me say hello. Say hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oh yeah, say it. So I'm leaving already. My sister, say hello. Say hello. Hello. Bring money. Yeah. Mommy. So my parents are in the car. Where's the code? They say you should bring for me. Alright, we are heading out. You are shy. What are you doing? Are you happy with yourself? You look really happy. That's good to know. That's really good to know. My brother and my sister being useful. Alright, guys. So we just got back from Ishiun. On getting to Ishiun, apparently it isn't market day. There was a bit of misinformation or miscommunication. Also when we're coming, randomly when we're driving through Owode, my mom was like, oh, I know the KBAC of Owode, that's the Owode, and my dad was like, and then we saw him on his balcony. She greeted him and was like, come. So we ended up going to the palace to just say hello to the king, which was really cool because I have never been to a Yoruba, any palace. Say Yoruba palace, I've never been to a palace before. So that was really cool. We will go to the farm later today. I'm tired to show you guys the farm. Last time we went, I didn't do videos, or I did videos but I didn't vlog. So I'm going to be showing you what the farm looks like, and I'm going to be showing you the videos that I shot last time I went to the farm. So yeah, I think I'm talking too fast. I need to freshen up. Yeah, and I'll see you guys soon. Actually Saturday already. I kind of already I'm used to having a 9 to 5 that I feel like the only days for YouTube and other creative things is Saturday. Like, I'm so used to that life that I had such an interesting week that I could vlog about that I didn't vlog. Now with Corona and everything, of course, every day is almost like you're free. So anyway, I just really wanted to give you a rundown of how my week went because I didn't vlog, but I have some pictures to back up some of the things I'm saying. I had 2 photo shoots this week. A 5-year-old, Baba did not smile. Mom too was kind of hard on him, which every Nigerian mom is hard on their child anyway. Not to take away from the fact that his mom was hard on him, so it kind of made the pictures come out one kind, like he was boning all through. I tried to make him happy, tried to dance, tried to play good music, tried to crack jokes and everything, but it was just all stuck up and everything. But I mean, we got some good pictures, and he liked his picture eventually. There was no cake in the photo shoot thingy, but his mom was like, I should add a cake in post. And when he saw it, he was like, Mommy, I don't see cake in the studio. Where is the cake coming from? Which was really cute. Anyway, also had another photo shoot with a teenager. That was really quick. We had it like around 9:30, 10ish. It was really late. So it was really quick. 2 pictures, no stress at all. I really liked that shoot. So, So Grace report card. See my report card. 2002. Oh, see my report card. I did well, Josh. Imani me do well. I was studying class. Come on, I did well. So I want to do stop motion. Yeah, I want to do stop motion. This is everything without the picture, without the product. Then slowly, the product will move into the frame. Today we are going to the farm. I said I was going to show you guys the farm the last time, but a lot of things have been happening. I've not really had time to go. Actually, what do you need to sorry. Yeah. Anyway, so the last time we went to the farm, I have videos. I'm going to put it in this vlog. In fact, let's just cut into that video.
So we're farming in our farmland. This is Auntie Damie, and my brother, and my mommy, and my uncle, my daddy.
Playing on the track.
So we are back. In case you guys don't know, I'm vlogging from Ogun State. So today we are going to the farm. We're going to fumigation, Abby. We're going to fumigate because kokoro tó ń jẹ̀fọ́ ìdí ẹ̀fọ́ ló wà. What do you say? Inú ẹ̀fọ́ ló gbé. Kokoro tó ń jẹ̀fọ́ inú ẹ̀fọ́ ló ń gbé. So we're going to fumigate today. My brother and my dad have gone way ahead. My mom is just in front of me, and yeah, this is the environment. So some people are building houses, some are doing farm, and some lands I guess they've not been bought yet. We've been walking a distance. Jesu ìwọ là ń wò ó rẹ̀ mí o. Where would you usually park? If I call a taxi, so where would you usually park? On Owambe. Anyway, I'll see you guys. currently waiting for this mask to dry. That's why I decided to just come and check on the vlog. I don't understand what the storyline of the vlog is going to be, so I'm probably just going to end this vlog here. I'm going to go through the footage and see if I can make sense of any of the things that happened, because I've kind of been vlogging inconsistently. It's Monday morning, so I'm about to start a new vlog, and I thought it would be nice to end the vlog here. What's up with you guys? How are you doing? Yeah, I just wanted to end the vlog here. If you've watched till the end, peace. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Just drop me a comment down